how to change Snapchat to dark mode on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can enable Snapchat dark mode on Android, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to enable Snapchat's dark mode on Android, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Snapchat application. Once you launch the Snapchat app, what you have to do is, currently you can see I'm on the light mode. Now to turn on dark mode, first make sure your Snapchat app is updated to the latest version. Tap on the Bitmoji avatar from the top left, then tap on the gear icon from the top right hand side. Then from there, what you actually want to do is go to this option called app appearance. Now here you can just select always dark, restart the Snapchat app, and now you can see that we are completely switched to the darker theme. And this way you'll be able to switch to darker theme on Snapchat. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.